सो हेलो गाइस, कैसे आप सब लोग। आई होप आप सब अच्छे ही होंगे। सो गाइस, आज हम लेकर आए हैं 7 अमेजिंग पैटर्न्स एंड कूल पैटर्न्स ऑफ अ 7x7 रूबिक्स क्यूब। इस क्यूब के हम 7 पैटर्न बनाएंगे, वो कैसे देखें आप। सो फर्स्ट पैटर्न इज डॉट पैटर्न। Dot pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. See, the algorithm is going to be on your screen. L prime R phi R U prime phi U prime L R prime phi U. Phi U means second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth layer turn clockwise. See, this is dot pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. This is also amazing. This side also. Next pattern is double line pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. So the algorithm is going to be on your screen. Double layer turns L prime R second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth layer turn clockwise, anti-clockwise. L R prime second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth layer turn clockwise. See, this is double line pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. This is different color, this is also different color and this is also a different color. This is a cube and this is also different color in 2 layers. Now third layer turns, 3 layer turns L prime R second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth layer turn anti-clockwise. L R prime second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth layer turn anti-clockwise, clockwise. See, this is also amazing. Fourth pattern is checkerbox pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. So let's make checkerbox pattern. L2 R2 U2 D2 X U2 D2. See, this is checkerbox pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. Now double layer turns. L2 R2 U2 D2 X U2 D2. This is also amazing. See, and also cool pattern. This is 3-line pattern. 3-line pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. See this formation. Now triple layer turns. L2 R2 U2 D2 X U2 and D2. This is proper checkerbox pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. See, and this shape is also fine. See this shape. This color is also beautiful. Last pattern is mini checkerbox pattern. Mini checkerbox pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. So let's make mini checkerbox pattern. So the algorithm is going to be on your screen. Capital L, small l, turn twice. Capital R, small r, turn twice. Capital U, small u, turn twice. Capital D, small d, turn twice. X, capital U, small u, turn twice. Capital D, small d, turn twice. See, this is mini checkerbox pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. And if you like this video, then also like, share, subscribe and comment my YouTube channel for more interesting and wonderful patterns of a cube videos. Bye bye.